So I've changed my mind. I'm actually not going up there. Because I found another one. I'll leave them here so no one else sees them and thinks, you know what, might have a little glass. But these are all abandoned, there's no wires on the top. I was going to go up there and get that one. But you see, like, stopped there. It seems too dangerous. Because falling from there, if you fall on your head, and there are a few more poles back down that way. But in the gaps, I found the glass ones. I see there's another pole here, yeah, I see it. There might not, because there's an abandoned house over there, and that's where this boy used to go. Yeah, there's nothing around here. But they're very loose, these poles. I reckon I can push this over, literally. Because you'd expect that, since it's cement, it'd be rock solid. It isn't. There's no insulator on there. So there's a car there. But no one even wants the insulator. So like, oh, it's a waste of space in your car. It isn't for me though. It's luxury for me. This car's abandoned. There's a lot more on there. Doesn't look like they're available though. Looks as bolted on. I will go up. I might even do a video up there if I can. There's a well. Fill it in. I'll have a look around the house, see if I can find the insulators. Someone's been here for the copper. Stripping some cable. I don't want any cable, no copper. Just some nice glass insulators. That's all I ask for. And I can't make one long video because it will be too long. Especially, I'm guessing the insulators should be around here somewhere. They're usually on the roof. Nothing in here. Glass insulator, ceramic insulator. In there even. If you can find the main fuse box in here, I should give you a rough idea on where it is. Got no plug socket. There's no insulators. Oh God, little gap. It's all collapsed. The L light's gone. Luckily, there's no asbestos here. All this is just this. There's a train. Right by a train station. Sorry I'm not doing transport in Phoenix, but and Thomas, if you've watched this part, but so the insulator should be like around there because they aren't on the chimney. If they're on the chimney, I would go up there. Alright, heads up, heads up, heads up. What's this? Nothing. Nothing. Sticking nettles everywhere. Make sure they don't touch your ears. They could be in there. It's usually a metal pole they're sticking up on. Or someone else has had them. I thought that was one then. So obviously someone's taken all the aluminium wire when it's been dead and left the insulators behind. Thank you very much, people. Because that's what the lawmen do over here. But in England, they're more stricter about it. This was a well. Well. There. Oh. Because the main pole's here for the electric. So there's the main pole there for the electric, which means it could be here somewhere. Because the wires would have gone down. Yeah, there are quite a lot of insulators up there. I will try and climb up there. Because it isn't live, I can just tell from looking at that. But you must be very careful with some abandoned houses because they're still hooked up to the mains. So I think someone's taken the insulators that were on this house. So no longer here, that's for sure. I think I should climb to the top of this. Actually show you how scary it actually is, because that doesn't look too hard, does it? But when you're actually up there looking down, this is a car. It's all abandoned. It might be. I don't know. Right, if I'm going to do a video up there, I'm going to record it. But I will record if I get one of the insulators off of that. You know, the porcelain things up there. If I get one of them off, I will record that. There's one insulator up there, but I've already got one like that. Because I found a few more in Poland, but the glass one which I had, if you look in another video, that actually exploded. Yeah, I've already got one like that, but oh god, yeah. That's had a nasty time, look. There's a bit missing off of that. Someone's obviously been out with a shotgun. Should be around here somewhere, because like in a storm, because I found the other two in these gaps. Can't see any here. The glass ones, I'll show you. I'll go and go. Because that one I don't need, because that's broken. But there's still a glass one on the top of this one. There's still... So there aren't any more missing. So there would be two glass ones and one... But if there's any plastic ones on the floor, off you go. Here are the insulators. You see, you've got the bit of aluminium wire. So if you touched it when it was live, this, and this insulator will sit on that. But see this? There's still one up there, and that's glass. So I've tried shaking it to make it fall down, but unfortunately I'm going to have to climb up. So this glass one here, I found in the gap. See the little crater in there? And the other glass one I found up here. So they've obviously fallen down. Someone's seen them and thought that's dangerous. So just put it in there, which is kind of them, instead of taking them. But there's your video. There will be a different video about this. About me getting the insulators off of there. Right, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Well, I'll try and enjoy. But that's another glass one there. Which have fallen down. Look, they're so pretty though, aren't they? Look, the way they just... See, there are literally air bubbles in them. But with these things, if you tap it with a hammer, very gently like that, it goes... Poof, it literally explodes. But I'm going to try and get those ones down now. Here you go. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.